Hey Audrey, what noise does a dog make? What noise does a cat make? Okay, what noise does a bear make? Yeah, that's pretty good. What noise does a lion make? What noise does a dinosaur make? Pretty much the same as a lion. Yeah, good. What noise does a cow make? What noise does a sheep make? What noise does a horse make? Yeah. What noise does a frog make? What noise does... I'm running out of ideas. What noise does a tiger make? No, they roar as well, eh? What noise does a bubble make? What noise does a robot make? Yeah, that's right. How did you know that? Can you point to the sky? Yep. Can you point to the ground? Can you point to your hat? Can you point to Dada's ear? Yeah, that's right. Can you say bye bye? Wave at the camera, bye bye. Oh, you probably don't know what a camera is. Whee! What colour is the sky?
Green.
It's actually blue and orange. Can you say blue? Can you say orange? And red? What colour is this?
Green.
You say everything's green. Should it come down the slide? Ready? There, you can do it. Wow, very clever. Can you clap your hands? Give yourself a round of applause. No, you have more important things to do. Yeah, okay, I see where this is going.